Well, welcome to Pew Kitchen, guys. Here I am back. I was in South America for about 2 weeks, doing some videoing there and with the Rastafari and the cooking. And I'm back today, and today I am doing some string beans with chicken and rice. I wasn't going to video, but I just said, let me just video it. Just do a quick thing here. Let me show you guys what I'm up to and what I'm cooking right now. I'm going to do some string beans. I brought back this string beans from Guyana, which is in South America. So I'm going to cook this. I'm going to saute this green beans, and then I'm going to cook some rice. I'm using Uncle Ben rice, and I'll do some chicken. I already seasoned this chicken. It's been sitting there for about 5 hours, and my onion, pepper, celery, and carrots. So now I'm gonna cook some food, guys. I haven't cooked in a while, so I'm gonna cook some food today. So let's start cooking. So I'm gonna wash my rice now. What's going on? I put the water in the pot now, and I put my rice on to cook. Alright, put it on the stove now. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put my oil in my pan. So I'm gonna cook my string beans. And let my oil get hot. Okay, so we get our food is ready to cook. So my rice is in. My rice. I'm gonna put some onions in my thing here. Some celery. Bell pepper. And carrot. I'll let it fry for 2 minutes before I put in my string beans and some seasoning. Meantime, I have my rice here. My rice is cooking here. Just put some more water in the pot. More rice. Put in my string beans now. And I'm going to turn it around, stir it, mix it in. I'm going to cover it over and let it sit there and cook. Okay, we're going to check our string beans now. Now put some seasoning in here and then let it sit and steam a little before I take it off. I don't want it to mash. I want it nice and firm. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. Put in some cayenne pepper. A little parsley. Let me turn my rice in the meantime. This is going to go and strain in a minute. Yeah. Put some oil, chicken flavor, a little salt. Let's just put salt in my hand because I don't want to put over the mouth. My rice is finished, so I put my rice to strain. had seasoned the meat, so what I'll do, I'm just gonna taste and make sure that the seasoning I put on it early on is good. So I usually I'll put a little chicken flavor. And some cayenne pepper. It have enough salt. I'm not gonna put any more salt in it. But now I'm just gonna leave it let it cook. Let the chicken cook. I cover it over. I'm gonna leave it there now. Let's check this food here now. Okay, I'll cook some more. I want the chicken to cook, fully cook, well done. I don't need no blood on the bone or nothing like that. I want it to cook all the way through. I'll let it sit for some more. Okay, let me see now. This should finish. And guys, I'm finished here with this. Yep, this is done. You see the chicken started to fall off the bone. This is what I want. Started to fall off the bone. So we are done. So this is our green beans with carrot, bell pepper, onions, and then over here we have our brown stew chicken. Still cooking. The stove is off, so we're just doing on the heat right now. It's done.